What's up YouTube? David here from No Swag Media, doing a quick unboxing of one of my latest pickups from FLEUR. As you can see there, this is the Ebbets fitted F hat in the red colorway. So if you order a hat from FLEUR, at least as of now, it's going to come with some wrapping paper and your hat in a plastic bag. Let's take the hat out. Alright, here is the hat. As you can tell, this is in a red wool. All of the hats from the Ebbets collection are in wool, featuring hand-sewn details, and they're all made in the States. Ebbets is based out of Washington. They specialize in throwback, retro, vintage style, mostly baseball gear, so hats and jerseys, things of that nature. As I said, this is a fitted hat, so you have to know your size. That's just like a thread there. Get that off. It's a fitted hat, so you got to know your size. These do run a bit small. I had the pink Ebbets hat from the last collection, and I got a 7.5, which is usually what I wear in a new era hat. And yeah, it was a bit tight on my head, so I decided to go up one size here. So yeah, you have the little FLEUR embroidery on the back. Your inside is lined with this nice, like, I guess satin type material. Made in the US, there you go. And your FLEUR tag. Yeah. And probably the defining factor of this hat and all the other ones from his collection is the short brim. Let's compare it to a standard new era sized brim. Significantly shorter. Way shorter. Like I said, this is like a throwback to 30s style baseball caps. So it's definitely a different style than what most people are used to nowadays. Not many places are making short brim hats like this. I was worried at first when I got my pink one from the last collection about if, you know, it would be weird to style, if it would look weird on my head because the brim is so short. But honestly, after getting used to the pink one, now when I put on a regular sized hat, it feels like the brim is giant. So it's actually kind of nice. It's, you know, more condensed to the point. It almost has like, I'm not going to say a beanie feel, but it doesn't quite give that feel of like a normal hat. It's somewhere in between, which I think is nice, depending on the person. I am a fan of the old school baseball uniforms. I think it's very nostalgic. I like how it looks. It's definitely distinct, and I don't think it's quite as obnoxious as a regular hat. So, yeah, I got 2 other colorways of this from the collection that they dropped, so make sure to check out those videos. I also have tons of other videos on Tyler things. I've been making Tyler content since 2014, roughly, so it's been about 10 years of supporting the man, so I've made plenty of videos on stuff. So make sure to check those out and have a good day.